नाम से डरा मत करो सिलेबस मेरे.
Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain continuity differentiability problems. Okay, now explain question number 1. So x into root 1 plus y into root 1 plus x equal to 0 given. Then we have to find dy by dx. Okay, so x into root 1 plus y. This plus value bring the right side minus y times of root 1 plus x. Now squaring on both sides. So x square into this root get cancelled 1 plus y equal to minus y whole square is y square. Root get cancelled 1 plus x. Now let us do simplify this value. X square multiply to all x square plus x square y equal to y square into 1 y square plus y square into x y square x. Okay, plus y square bring the left side, x square y send the outside right side. So x square minus y square equal to y square x minus x square y. We have x square minus y square formula, x minus y into x plus y equal to, in this one minus xy take out common, it will going to be x minus y. One x minus y get cancelled. Okay, so x plus y equal to minus xy. This plus y bring the right side, x is equal to minus xy minus y. But our target is dy by dx. Okay, therefore x equal to, in this minus y take out common, so minus y into x plus 1. But our target is dy by dx. So minus y is equal to, divide x plus 1 on both sides equal to minus y. Okay, now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So by using u by v formula, d by dx of x by 1 plus x equal to minus differentiation of y, we get dy by dx minus dy by dx. So what is u by v formula? V into u by v. V into v for v place in 1 plus x, right? 1 plus x into d by dx of u minus u into d by dx of 1 plus x by v square. 1 plus x whole square equal to minus dy by dx. Okay. Okay, we have got minus dy by dx value. So 1 plus x into, so differentiation of x with respect to x, it will be 1 minus x into differentiation of 1, 0, differentiation of x will be 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1 by 1 plus x whole square. So 1 x get cancelled. It will going to be 1 by 1 plus x whole square. So minus dy by dx value. But our target is dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to, we should multiply minus 1 on both sides, minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. This is the answer. Let us go to the next problem. F of x value given x by root under 1 minus x square, as well as g of x value x by root under 1 plus x square. Then we have to find d by dx of f composition of g of x. Okay, so d by dx of, our target is f composition of g of x. So d by dx of f composition of g of x means write f of g of x. So d by dx of f of g of x value given x by root under 1 plus x square. It will going to be d by dx of f of x value given. What is f of x value? X by root under 1 minus x square. But our target is f of x by root under 1 plus x square. On x replaced by x by root under 1 plus x square. So it will going to be, where x place in, we should write x by root under 1 plus x square. So x by root under 1 plus x square upon root under 1 minus x square. So x square is nothing but x square by root get cancelled 1 plus x square. So d by dx of x by root 1 plus x square. So let us do LCM 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square LCM, 1 plus x square minus x square. X square get cancelled. 1 root 1 plus x square get cancelled. D by dx of x, it will be 1. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Find the value of d by dx of tan inverse a sin x plus b cos x by a cos x minus b sin x. Okay, so our target is d by dx of tan inverse a sin x plus b cos x upon a cos x minus b sin x. Divide a cos x on numerator as well as denominator. Divide a cos x on numerator as well as denominator. Okay, it will going to be d by dx of tan inverse. In this a get cancelled, sin x by cos x we get tan x plus cos x get cancelled plus b by a cos x get cancelled 1 minus b by a times of tan x, sin x by cos x. Okay, we have, so tan inverse of a plus b by 1 minus ab. We have formula tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b. Okay, tan inverse of a plus b by 1 minus ab. So write d by dx of tan inverse of a plus b by 1 minus ab. We have tan inverse a plus tan inverse of b, where a place in right tan x, b place in right b by a. Tan inverse of a, where a place in right tan x plus tan inverse of b value b by a. It will going to be, so d by dx of tan inverse of tan x is nothing but x plus tan inverse of b by a. It will going to be differentiation of x will be 1. So b and a and b are constants. Tan inverse of b by a is constant. Differentiation of constant will be 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Let us go to the next problem. So y value given 5 to the power 2 times of log x plus 1 base 5 minus log of 3x plus 1 base 5. Then we have to find dy by dx at x is equal to 0. Okay. So what is given? Y is equal to 5 to the power 2 times of, we have log a minus log b formula. Log a minus log b is equal to log a by b. Okay, we should apply that formula. So log a minus log b, it will going to be log a by b. X plus 1 by 3x plus 1 base 5. Okay, we have m into log n. M log n is equal to log n to the power m. We should apply this formula. So 2 times of log x plus 1 by 3x plus 1 base 5 is nothing but y is equal to 5 to the power, okay, log of x plus 1 by 3x plus 1 whole square base 5. Okay, this two taking in power. So log of x plus 1 by 3x plus 1 whole square base 5. Now we have a to the power log m base a is equal to m. 5 to the power log x plus 1 by 3x plus 1 whole square base 5, where m place in what value is there? X plus 1 by 3x plus 1 whole square. So this, it will going to be, we should apply this formula. It will going to be x plus 1 by 3x plus 1 whole square, where m plus n x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 by 3x plus 1 whole square, right? Okay, now our target dy by dx, differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of y, we get dy by dx. So differentiation of x plus 1 by 3x plus 1 whole square. We should applying x to the power n formula. D by dx of x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. It will going to be 2 times of x plus 1 by 3x plus 1 power 2 minus 1 into d by dx of u by v, x plus 1 by 3x plus 1. Okay, this is, it will going to be 2 times of x plus 1 by 3x plus 1 into right d by dx of u by v. Okay, so d by dx of x plus 1 by 3x plus 1 whole square. We should apply x to the power n derivative, n into 2 into x plus 1 by 3x plus 1 power 2 minus 1 into d by dx of right x plus 1 by 3x plus 1. This is applying u by v formula. Okay, 2 times of x plus 1 by 3x plus 1 into, so differentiation of u by v, v into 3x plus 1 into differentiation of u, d by dx of x plus 1 minus x plus 1 into d by dx of 3x plus 1 by v square, 3x plus 1 whole square, v into differentiation of u minus u into differentiation of v. Okay, it will going to be 2 times of x plus 1 by 3x plus 1 into 3x plus 1 into differentiation of x plus 1, it will going to be 1, differentiation of x1, differentiation of 1 0 minus x plus 1 into differentiation of 3x plus 1, 3 constant, differentiation of x will be 1, constant derivative 0 by 3x plus 1 whole square. But our target at x is equal to 0, we have to find dy by dx. Put expression 0, 0 plus 1 by 0 plus, this is 1. Okay, 1 minus 3 by 1 square. Okay, it will going to be minus 4. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Okay, let us go to the next problem. If e to the power z of y minus e to the power minus z of y equal to 2 times of f of x given, then we have to find dy by dx. Okay, so now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of e to the power z of y, it will going to be e to the power z of y into differentiation of z of y by using chain rule. Differentiation of z of y is z dash y, but differentiation of y with respect to x into dy by dx minus differentiation of e to the power minus z of y, it will going to be e to the power minus z of y into, but differentiation of minus z of y is minus z dash y, but y differentiation right into dy by dx equal 2 times of differentiation of f of x will be f dash x. Okay, in this z dash y into dy by dx, take out common, z dash y into dy by dx into e to the power z of y minus into minus plus e to the power minus z of y equal to 2 times of f dash x. Okay, but we have e to the power z of y minus e to the power minus z of y value 2 times of f of x. Okay, in this e to the power z of y plus e to the power minus z of y, we have one formula, a plus b is equal to root under a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Okay, we should applying that formula. Let us take a is equal to e to the power z of y, b value e to the power minus z of y. So z dash y into dy by dx into, so what is the formula? Root under a minus b whole square plus 4ab. So root under a minus b whole square, e to the power z of y minus e to the power minus g of y whole square, a minus b whole square plus 4 times of ab, where a value e to the power g of y, b value e to the power minus g of y. Okay, it will going to be 2 times of f dash x. So e to the power g of y, e to the power minus g of y get cancelled. If bases equal, powers are added, e to the power 0, it will going to be 1. So our target is dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to, okay, right, first z dash y into dy by dx. So root under e to the power g of y minus e to the power minus g of y. From statement this value 2 times of f of x. 2 times of f of x whole square plus 4 equal to 2 times of f dash x. Okay. Okay, we have got this value. So therefore dy by dx equal to 2 times of f dash x by g dash y into this root value. So root under 2 into f of x whole square is nothing but 4 into f of x whole square plus 4. Okay. In this one 4 take out common, 2 into f dash x by, okay, g dash y into root 4 value 2 times of root under f of x whole square plus 1. So 2 get cancelled. This is answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.